I got this reclaimed wood cabinet door finished, and I noticed that I have a bad spot in the wood. What am I going to do? No problem. I'll show you how to fix this. Luckily, we have Duff's Old Wood Reviver. I'm going to show you how to do this. Take a little sawdust, squirt some Duff's on it, mix it up. Now we take a little sawdust, put it in the bad spot, brush it in. A little more. Find the fine sawdust. It's good. Get it in there. That helps replace all the old bad wood. Now put a little Duff's in there over the sawdust. Now we're going to let that dry.